We'll go into this more later, but when creating sketches in SolidWorks, you'll be defining closed contours to define the profile of the feature you would like to create. This is achieved using combinations of the sketch tools you just learned. Oftentimes, the sketches can become complex, and it's necessary to trim segments of the sketch to get the shape you're looking for, and SolidWorks offers a number of sketch trim options to help you do this. Let's start with this sketch here, and I'll activate my sketch trim tools by using the trim icon on the sketch toolbar, or with the S key menu. There are 5 trim options to select from. The Power Trim and Trim to Closest options provide the most powerful and most commonly used trim functions. The Power Trim option has a few different uses. To trim this line back or any other sketch entity, first select the sketch element to trim, and then with the second click, select the segment that it would be trimmed to. The Power Trim option also has the capability to extend sketch segments. I can select this sketch segment and then move the cursor to the next sketch segment that I would like to extend to. It's also possible to click and hold down your mouse button while doing this. One of the most powerful capabilities of the Power Trim option is to simply click and hold down the mouse button while dragging it around. Doing this will trim any sketch segments that are in the path. The Corner Trim option allows you to select 2 sketch segments to trim away to create a corner, or extend 2 segments to create a corner. The Trim Away Inside and Trim Away Outside options allow you to define 2 sketch elements as boundaries, and any items inside or outside of the boundaries respectively will be trimmed. Finally, the Trim to Closest option allows you to hover your cursor over a sketch segment, and the red highlighted section will be trimmed away. It will automatically trim to the closest sketch segment. This tool can also be used to extend by clicking on a sketch segment and without releasing your mouse button, move your cursor to a segment to extend it.